Hey! As some of you may know, we got a new office and warehouse space that's been completely under renovation.
And we finally are finished after 3 long months, so we want to show you guys.
The time has come.
Woo! Bad sushi. Yeah. Always knew I had purpose, but looking back at it, mama had me at 16 on accident. Palmdale, California. Tell me what's your hustle worth? Ain't no blessing on this earth without a struggle first. Christian Sundays, Islam Mondays. Back and forth through families, I couldn't live one way. But some days, Brother Royce would come through with them bean pies. Tanea's sister mother cooking, making sure I eat right. Like assalamu alaikum. Live heaven since, not just for sensation. 4 parents, 2 homes, each new season. Everything happens for a new reason. But now
What's up, you guys? So this is day 2 of renovation in the new office. It's freezing cold, and yesterday we were tearing down everything, doing the demolition, and today we're starting to frame in the new offices. Come check it out. So this is all going to be one room, all the way out to right here. And then that'll be all office space, and then all this will be warehouse space. Then we'll have a loft with a video studio and probably a company lounge.
I started rhyming and really writing these twisted riddles. Infatuated with flicking photos and fading pixels. Cinematography addict, designing spirit, son. Couldn't find the right occupation, so I invented one. Editor, photo flick, media, specialized. Had to find customers, I like my life customized. So many things that I summarize when summer dies. Swear these niggas' halos are fun sized. And I know, but now I need some time to get my way back. Cruising the city, the speakers are bumping, I'm laid back. I got love for the city, I can't fake that. So I'm starting up the whip and I go back to my hometown, so everything can slow down. I'm way too unfocused, distracted and soulless. It's too much, 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 yeah.
Okay, so here's an update. We got most of it completed. There's drywall done, paint, texture, everything's gotten done. Final steps are happening right now, building the desk, and we're fixing up a few different things, but we'll keep you updated.
Yeah. Listening to my old songs back when I would talk about things that hadn't happened yet, but now I get to talk about. Just got back from South Beach, Collins Ave Shore Club. Always celebrating what I wanna see more of. Took my mom with me, let her soak up all the sunshine. Let her watch her rain stop, all because of sunshine. That's what I call foresight, that's what I call manifesting. Moving to the rhythm of my intuition. Anything I want, I speak into existence. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm winning.
So there it is, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we really appreciate your support.
We've already been making changes over here. We actually brought on a content creator. But we're gonna have him introduce himself.
Hey everybody, my name's Dylan. They forced me on here against my will.
Yeah, that's enough time.
All right. Okay, so I think that's all we have for you guys. Thanks again.
Thank you. Hey, Dylan, we good?
We're done.
I think we're done.
Yeah, we're good.